Hello guys, it's Darko again. Um, Last video we saw the languages that you need to learn to be a web developer, uh, uh, front end, back end, and full stack, and we saw a little bit on HTML. So in this video, we're going to learn how to uh, start building your website using HTML. So as we talked about it, yeah, HTML is not actually a programming language. It's a markup language that structures your website. So it's like a skeleton that is going to give you the structure of the website that you want to build. So it's very important because you can't build a website without HTML. So this is where you start when you're going to build your website. So all we need is you need your laptop, your computer, and then you have to download what we call text editor. Some of them come with like there's one that comes with computer, like especially in Windows, that is called Notepad. You can use that, but it's more basic, and there are so many advanced uh, text editor which are out there for free. So when you're going to code, you actually need um, a text editor. So uh, one of the best text editor uh, out there is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So you can just download it when you go in and type in Google Visual Studio Code. It will take you to the official website, and then you can download it, have it in your computer. Once you have it, now you will have to just install. You follow the steps, and then in just like few minutes you are there. You can have when you open it, you'll have a screen like this one. So this is where you start. Now when you want to start a new um, document or start coding, you come to new file. You can see here we have new file, or you can even go on the top left corner where we have a file, and when you click on it, you'll find we have new text file and new file. So you can go to new file, then it will prompt with that. Then when you hit enter on your keyboard, it shows you this screen. So from here you can now type. So when we are going to start with our HTML, there are what we call elements or tags. So we use what we call elements, and elements are when they are covered by um, angle brackets, they are called tags. So like the first one that we need the most, we have what we call the root tags. We start with doc type, the type of the document. This is so any tag or element in HTML, any tag that starts with an angle bracket. So start with an angle bracket, and here we have what we call doc type. Sorry, HTML. Then close the tag. So this tag, um, doc type, tells the browser that the document type is HTML. So most of these tags you will find they are self-explanatory, like doc type, document type. So and the document type is HTML. So after this one, we need to to write what we call a root tag, which is HTML. So this is the structure uh, of the HTML. So you can see it is suggesting my VS normal suggest. So I have the HTML, the opening tag, and the closing tag. So within the in between the opening tag and the closing tag is where I will have my entire website built. So or web page built in. So this is row tag, and it's the one that formats our HTML document. So within HTML, we have two important things. We have a head and a body. So we have head, which is this one, and we have a body. So within head, i- within the head tag, this is where we put things like the title of our website, things that we see in the URL on the, like, maybe title. You can say my fasts. You can even call it HTML. HTML. This is the title. There are so many other things that you can put in the head, that, like links and meta tag, which we will look at them later as we go on. But these are the most important things that you need when you're starting. So within the body now, this is where everything in the browser, we will see when we view our website in the browser. This is where you see everything on your browser. So this is where the content will be, in short. So we have, like in uh, documents, we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and we have the paragraphs when you're writing a document. So basically, HTML is just like writing a document, but in terms of coding now. So we have H1 as heading 1. H1, we can say my first, my first web web page, web page or website. You can choose whatever. You can just write whatever. So this is a heading. This is a paragraph. Okay, so mhm. So we are done with our first website, and what we need now is to save it. So we come here to file. So you can save as. You go to save as, and uh, you can rename your. You can name it the way you want. You can call it HTML1, or you can call it index or whatever. So you can, because I've already saved it here, it's called html1.html. So make sure the extension is HTML. So then you click save. So I've already done all this. So in the next video, we're going to look at how you can open the saved website and launch it in the web browser. Thank you.